In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your ClickUp view, a simple yet valuable skill that can enhance your productivity and streamline your workflow. ClickUp is a flexible and powerful platform used by many for project management, and tailoring it to fit your needs can make a significant difference in how effectively you manage your tasks. So let's dive right in and guide you through the process. First, to start our journey in reshaping your ClickUp interface, head over to their official website. Open your preferred web browser and type in ClickUp, or simply use the link provided in this video to reach the ClickUp homepage. It's important to ensure you're on the right site, so do double check this before proceeding. ClickUp is dubbed the Everything app for work, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll understand a bit more about why it deserves that title. Now that you've reached ClickUp, you'll want to log into your account. Locate the login button on the homepage, which shouldn't be too hard to find. Once you're there, you'll need to enter your email address. Make sure you're using the email associated with your ClickUp account, as this will allow you access to your workspace. Take a moment to check for any typos to avoid those frustrating login issues that can occur with just a single misplaced character. Following that, it's time to enter your password. Just like with your email, this needs to be the correct password for your ClickUp account. If you find yourself second guessing, remember to check for any forgotten caps lock that might be sneaking in, or use the show password feature if ClickUp offers it, to verify each character. Once both your email and password are correctly input, go ahead and hit that login button. If everything you've entered is correct, you should swiftly find yourself transported to your ClickUp workspace. There's something satisfying about seeing your personal dashboard laid out in front of you, isn't there? Now that you're logged in, your next move is to navigate to your home within ClickUp. Think of this as your virtual command center where all the action happens. Once there, look for the section labeled Space. Clicking on your space is like entering your virtual office. This is where you'll manage the overarching aspects of your projects. With the space open and ready, the next step involves directing your attention to the view option within ClickUp. The view settings are crucial as they determine how data and tasks are displayed across your projects. So let's find out how we can tailor them to suit your style. Upon clicking the view option, you will be presented with different choices that reflect how your work items can be displayed, be it in a list, board, box, calendar, or any other view ClickUp offers. Each view has its own strength. For instance, list is fantastic for simplicity, while board provides a more visual Kanban style organization. Choose a view that you think will complement your work habits best. Exploring these views not only helps in organizing tasks, but also fosters productivity by displaying information in a manner that's conducive to the way you work best. Don't hesitate to toggle between these options to find which naturally fits your workflow. Customization is the key here, and ClickUp allows ample flexibility for you to create an environment that feels right. Remember that whatever changes you make are flexible, allowing you to revert or switch views anytime according to the projects you're handling at the moment. This adaptability is what makes ClickUp a powerful tool for project management. As you practice navigating and adjusting these views, don't worry about making mistakes. The more you explore, the more efficient you'll become in creating a suitable layout that supports your daily work processes. Plus, the experience will make using ClickUp much more intuitive in the long run. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to change the ClickUp view, opening up a world where your workspace can be as unique as the projects you're working on. With these steps, adjusting your ClickUp workspace becomes a breeze, and you can focus more energy on the tasks that matter. That wraps up today's tutorial. I hope you found this useful and that it enhances your experience with ClickUp. Keep experimenting with different views as your needs evolve over time. Thanks for joining me today, and feel free to reach out if you have more questions on ClickUp or any other productivity tools. Happy organizing, and I'll see you in the next video.